Buick Rendezvous. Need some things, some items to go ahead and get. Hey, and I think we need to get to it. You got to move the battery, this fuse box, and we should be able to get started. We got the tools set up there. And I got loosen this bolt right here. Ratchet. That's all I need. Nothing major. See that? Yeah, get to that right there. Here, but this tool right here, I gotta get that. And we can get this belt off, and we can get the process cracking. This tension is a little tight, so you gotta put some pressure on it. So if you haven't placed the belt, I would advise you to place the belt up there. And let's get to it. Got her a little loose, but she gotta come all the way off. Cleaned already out already though. That might be already bone dry. So this is what we're gonna replace. What a new one at? This razor is a piece of crap. You might want to get a better razor, but TaylorMade handyman services. Just move it on. TaylorMade. Use your fingers, but I'm into Buick Rendezvous water pump job. 2002 Rendezvous water pump job. Very easy. Shouldn't take that long. Maybe about 20 minutes or so, I'll have it all done. There's the water pump. Right there. Real easy job. Be back in a minute. We need some things, some items to go ahead and get it done. We're gonna need some of that. We're gonna need a water pump. And we got some, and I think we need a belt. I'm gonna go get the belt and then we be equipped. And a pair of dusty shoes, because see I got flip-flops on. To get to it, you gotta move the battery and kind of peel back this thing, which is the fuse box, and move this bar. Once you move this bar and this battery, you can be able to get to the water pump, which is down here. So I'm gonna remove this battery and I'm gonna move this bar, peel back this fuse box, and we should be able to get started. I got the tools right there and little tools out there, and we're gonna get started and get it done. All right, all right. All right, so I gotta get this bolt. I gotta get this bolt right here out of here so I can pull this bar off. So I got this bolt. Take it out, set it up here. Now I gotta loosen this bolt right here. Take these two bolts off. My little baby ratchet, that's all I need, nothing major. Remove this bar. Bar almost removed. Bolts up there so you don't lose them. I got something hooked to this car. Out. Move this bar. The bar is removed. Next, I gotta move the battery. Gotta pull the battery out so I can get to this, which is the water pump. All right, I'll be ready. Yep, gotta remove this battery. As you can see, I had to pull it out a little bit to get to this back piece right here, but I got it out, so that's all that matters, as long as we get it out. Set the battery off to the side. Baby, set the battery off to the side. See that? Yeah, get to that right there. Go back and get a couple more tools. Show you what I mean. Small little ratchets, man. Get that out. And we can get started on this job. All right? Here we go. Here we go. See this thing back here? Boom, the tensioner. I got to get down here with this tool right here. I got to get down in there. In this little area, so I can push this tensioner forward, and we can get this belt off, and we can get the process cracking. Tensioner's moving. Tensioner is moving. Tensioner is moved. Piece is off. This tensioner is a little tight, so you gotta put some pressure on it. You gotta apply the right kind of pressure. So you get the tensioner, you gotta have the battle. You gotta push it some more. We almost. Oh. Belt is off. Well, it's not all the way off, but I don't want it all the way off. I just want it off because I'm gonna keep it on. That belt is a good belt. You don't need to replace the belt. But if you have to replace the belt, I would advise you to replace the belt. All right, next we gotta remove this right here, which is the water pump. Got the piece right here, set it off to the side, up there, and let's get to that. And what we're gonna do to get to that, we gotta take off 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. All right, take off these 4 bolts, get it moving. All right, here we go, here we go. See it? Got her a little loose, but she gotta come all the way off. Let's get it. Last bolt. Oh, wrong way. Think she might, well, hold up. Might should get a bucket, put under the car, because, you know, it's going to leak out. So maybe it might be already drained out already, though. That might be already drained, but we're going to find out. She might be bone dry. Oh, yeah, she bone dry already, y'all. Bone dry. Bone dry. So this is what we're going to replace. Where the new one at? That's up the new one. That's the new one. Looks a little different, but that's it. All right, we're gonna put the new one on. Put the old one over here. Yeah, first of all, before we put the new one on, let's set the new one up here. Before we put the new one on, we have to do this. Before we put the new one on, you're gonna have to scrape all this off, spray off a little bit. You know, spray off a little bit, scrape that stuff off in there, because you gotta get a good seal. If you don't have a good seal, you're probably gonna have the same problem again, eventually, you know what I mean? So let's scrape this up with this razor, get it nice and neat, and you know what I mean? This razor is a piece of crap. You might wanna get a better razor, but it's what I got right now. But as you see, is the stuff coming off. You see I'm scraping it off. There's a lot of stuff that's coming off. It's kind of thick, so you ain't gonna hurt the metal. But yeah, that's how I would do that. Scrape that off. Please subscribe too. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. TaylorMade Handyman Services. TaylorMade Handyman Services. I don't just fix cars. I do tree removable. I do a little bit of everything. Just call me and I'll be to you. As long as you're local. Put this lube on. Got this luber down. I just move it on. I don't know if you gotta use your fingers, but I'm using my fingers because I really don't care not to use my fingers. But put this lube on here. You know, this comes out. You get this from Ace. You buy it, comes along with the package. So, oh shit! Make sure you're getting it right. lube off. Let me use this real quick to get up in here a little bit, make it nice and neat, because I kind of made it a little sloppy. All right. We got a lube on there. Put your ring on. Ring comes in the pack. Slide it on. Comes with it. Yeah, as you see, I got it on now. She all fresh and lubed. I got all the bolts on. Got 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She on. And then I got to put the case on, the casing. And here's the bolts for this. We got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got to put this on. Real easy. You know, real easy. Real easy put on, fix. Yeah, real easy fix. After I put this on, I need to put the belt on. Put the belt back on. Let me fill her up. And we should be ready. Should be ready to go. Yeah, here we go. See, as of there, I got the casing on with the 4 bolts on tight. You know what I mean? After you get that on, you got to put the battery back in now. Let me wiggle it up in here somewhere. Put your battery back in your car. You know, make sure everything out the way. Set your battery back in your car. And plug her on in. What's supposed to go on? Positive first? Get your battery back in. After you get your battery in, then you got to put your bar back on. Take the bar off, you got to put your bar back on. Put your bar back on. You got to get your bar back on. It goes back here to this spot over here. And then you lock your bar back down. You're going to put the bar back down.